Hey, let's talk mortgage insurance. Hey, let's talk about mortgage insurance. What is it? Do you have to pay it? All those kind of things. So each loan program has a different brand, different name for it, different way to describe it, different way to charge it. But they all have some sort of protection for the lender, and that's exactly what mortgage insurance is. Homeowners insurance is protection for you in case something happens to the home, like it burns down or whatever. Mortgage insurance protects the lender in case you default on the loan and they can't get their money back. So conventional mortgage insurance, if you put less than 20% down, mortgage insurance will be required on the loan. There's a few options in terms of how you can set it up. You can pay it monthly, meaning each month there's a little bit added to your monthly payment. You can pay it all up front in one lump sum, or in some cases you can pay a little bit up front and a little bit monthly, and it kind of adds up and does it that way. Now, one thing you're going to want to do if you're going to make a decision based on that is how long are you going to be in the house? Because if you're going to be in the house not long enough to see the savings, then it may not be worth buying it out. But if you're going to be in the house for a super long time, it may be worth buying out that mortgage insurance. Go over that with your loan officer and get that figured out as you set up your loan. But base it on how long you're going to be in the house. It's kind of like the discount point thing. It cancels at 78% automatically, and it's not based on home values going up. It's based on the appraised value at the beginning of the loan. So you're going to have to pay it down that much, or you're going to have to refinance to get out of it. FHA, so conventional mortgage insurance is called private mortgage insurance. FHA mortgages is called mortgage insurance premium. And there's an upfront fee that's financed and added to your loan, and then there's a monthly fee that's charged as well. And basically it's 0.85%, and they divide that by 12. And that is never going to cancel on your loan. So FHA, in terms of insurance, is the most expensive. But there's some leniency in terms of qualification, like we've talked about in previous videos. VA, their version is called the guarantee or the funding fee. And that is based on what your service. It's based on how much you put down. It's based on is this your first time or your second time using the loan? And then if you have 10% or more of VA disability, you're eligible for a funding fee waiver, meaning you don't have to pay it. Sometimes on the VA loan, the first time you may not use the down payment version, but the second time you may put a little bit down to reduce that funding fee and do those kind of things. So that is the VA's version of protection for the lender. The USDA loan has a guarantee fee of 1% of the loan amount up front, and there's an annual fee you pay each month. The VA's, that fee is also financed into the loan, so you don't pay anything monthly. And again, if you have disability, that can be waived. Guarantee, you're going to have a monthly fee, or USDA, you're going to have a monthly fee, and that upfront fee that's financed. So every loan is going to have something unless you go 20% down on a conventional loan. That's one of the reasons that everybody says, like, you have to put 20% down, because they're trying to, so you don't have to pay mortgage insurance. I get that feels like a wasted fee, but it's going to be required on most loan programs you use, because the average down payment is going to be 12% on a loan, and that's not going to get you mortgage insurance waived. The best way to save money on mortgage insurance is go through, if you're a conventional loan, is talk about your options in terms of, is this going to save us money by buying it out up front or going monthly, and go from there. Again, VA has no monthly, FHA has a monthly, USDA has a monthly. Conventional, you have an option, and can kind of go from there. If you have any questions based on mortgage insurance, or whether or not you qualify for a home loan, how much your payment might be, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to help you. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.